Hi students, this is your today's class. In previous video we have completed up to 18th sum. This is trigonometry chapter 18 from 19th sum. So this video I am going to cover 19th sum to 25th sum. Is it clear children? Shall we into the class? So listen. 19th first sum. Already I said trigonometry everything is the proved sum only. So listen 19th first question. Tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. We need to prove this. Okay. So listen. Here first I will take left hand side. So what is left hand side? Tan square theta minus sin square theta. So listen. How we convert tan square theta? Sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here denominator is 1. So we need to take a LCM. How we take a LCM? Sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta whole divided by cos square theta. In this, can we take sin square theta as common? Yes. Take sin square theta as common, remaining 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. What we need to prove? Tan square theta into sin square theta. So, sin square theta into sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Here just to split this one term separately. So sin square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta. So sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to tan square theta. So tan square theta into sin square theta, that is right hand side. Is it clear children? Now we prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. What are all the formulas I explained in the first video? All those things we are going to substitute here. Okay, listen. This is second question. What we need to prove? Cos theta divided by 1 minus tan theta minus of sin square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. We need to prove this. Listen how we prove. Just you keep it in your mind how we prove. First take left hand side. Okay, what is left hand side? Cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta minus of sin square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Listen. Cos theta divided by here sin. How we convert sin and tan? How we convert tan? Sin by cos. So 1 minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. I kept as it is. Here you need to take LCM. How you take LCM? Cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. This term is same. Next listen. Here cos theta is the denominator. Take to numerator. So cos square theta. So cos square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta minus of sin square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Listen now the both denominator is same. So cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Now it is in the formula of a squared minus b squared. So a plus b into a minus b. So this is a, this is b. So cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Now cos theta minus sin theta cancel. So what's the remaining we have? Cos theta plus sin theta, that is the right hand side. I hope you understand this. Now we took left hand side and proved right hand side. Shall we go to the next sum now? Listen, 20th question. 20th first question is your homework sum. Here I given second sum. What is the second sum? Listen. 2 secant square theta minus secant power 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant power 4 theta is equal to cot power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta. So what we need to prove? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So left hand side we have a biggest term. So take it left hand side and prove the right hand side. Shall we do now? Listen. What is left hand side? 2 cosecant square theta minus secant power 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant power 4 theta. Proof பண்றது in terms of cot and tan வேணும். அப்ப cot to tan வேணும்னா we need to convert this in the form of tan and cot. How we convert? Listen. Secant square theta equal to tan square theta plus 1. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Now we are going to substitute these formulas in the sum. Listen. 2 into, instead of this secant square, I apply tan square theta plus 1. Minus of, instead of this, listen, இதுக்கு நம்ம apply பண்றோம். Square formula, here we have 4. So square will come 2 times. So tan square theta plus 1 the whole square. minus 2 into what's the formula for cosecant? 1 plus cot square theta. to multiple along with this. Listen. 2 into tan square theta, 2 tan square theta plus 1 into 2, 2 minus of, listen, this is in the formula of a plus b the whole square. You need to expand that. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Is it clear? Then minus of minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 cot square theta plus again you need to expand this in the formula of a plus b whole square. So 1 square 1 cot square na cot power 4 theta 2 into cot square theta. Is it clear now? Next you need to convert all those terms in the single term. Listen, 2 tan square theta plus 2 minus tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta minus 1 then minus 2 cot square theta plus 1 plus 2 cot square theta plus cot power 4 theta. Listen, plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta cancel. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Is it clear? Minus 2 cot square theta plus 2 cot square theta cancel. Same thing, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What's the remaining thing? Listen, minus tan power 4 theta plus cot power 4 theta is the remaining everything is cancelled. So cot power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta, that is right hand side. We took left hand side and proved the right hand side. Is it clear, children? Oh. Next, come to 22nd sum. 22nd also, first sum is your homework sum. Here I will explain you the second sum. Listen, the both also in the square root. So square root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A is equal to cosecant A minus cot A. We need to take left hand side and prove right hand side. What is left hand side? Rendukume square. Keep it in your mind. So square root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. It's a rationalization. So rationalization we need to take a conjugate. So conjugate now what's the denominator? 1 plus cos A. How do you take a conjugate? 1 minus cos A. So both the numerator denominator can multiply by 1 minus cos A. So 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Now 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A the whole square. Inge A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square. Is it clear? Next, listen. Next, split the square term separately. So square root of 1 minus cos A the whole square divided by square root of 1 square na 1 minus cos square A. Is it clear, children? Next is square cancel. So penna mattu irukku 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos square A na how we convert sin square A. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A na 1 minus cos square A na sin square A. So sin square A square root cancel. What's the remaining? 1 minus cos A divided by sin A. Next split the term separately. 1 by sin A minus cos by sin A. Is it clear, children? 1 by sin A is the reverse of cosecant A. So cos A by sin A na cot A. This is right hand side. What we need to prove? Cosecant A minus cot A. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Okay. 25 first sum is your homework sum. Listen the second sum. Secant power 4A minus tan power 4A is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square A. நீ left hand side எடுத்து right hand side proof பண்ணாலும் ஓகே, right hand side எடுத்து left hand side proof பண்ணாலும் ஓகே. இந்த இடத்துல இதே மாதிரி conditions apply பண்ணனும் கிடையாது. Okay. So how we prove this? First I will take left hand side. Secant power 4A minus tan power 4A. It's in the formula of how we convert the formula. Listen. Secant squared A the whole square minus tan squared A the whole square. Secant power 4 na secant square the whole square da secant power 4. So secant squared A the whole square minus tan squared A the whole square. What's the formula is this? A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B. Appa secant squared A plus tan squared A into secant squared A minus tan squared A. நம்மளுக்கு proof in terms of tan ல வேணும். In terms of tan ல என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Secant squared A 1 plus tan squared A எழுதிக்கலாமா? So secant squared A na 1 plus tan squared A plus tan squared A into here 1 plus tan squared A minus tan squared A. Next here 1 plus tan squared A plus tan squared A 2 tan squared A. Plus tan squared A minus tan squared A cancel 1 na. So 1 multiple with the terms we will be in the same terms. So 1 plus 2 tan squared eva, that is right hand side up. So now we took left hand side and proved right hand side. Okay, listen children. In this video we have covered up to 25th sum. So I will send you this link, class copy and homework, everything. Need to solve the homework sum day by day itself and copy all those sums in your class work on that day itself. Thank you children.